Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your ticket purchase on Eventbrite. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is make sure that you've downloaded and installed it through your App Store or your Play Store, or depending on if you're in iOS or Android. And now simply go ahead and open the application. Once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into the account that you purchased your tickets with. Now, all you need to do is just tap on the bottom corner of your screen where there's going to be a ticket option right over here. And once you do that, it's going to show you all your tickets right over here. All you need to do is just tap on that ticket and then simply go ahead and click on cancel. There might be some tickets that would be refundable where you will get the refund. There are some tickets which are not refundable. In that case, you will not get your money back. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you